How to fix payment method declined on Google Play. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix payment method on Google Play if it is declined. Now, if you're trying to purchase or make a purchase on Google Play and it says payment method declined, then it might be due to a certain number of reasons. Now, first things first, what you want to do is you want to find the payment method you're trying to use for the purchase and then edit it. And now how you can do so, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then tap on payments and subscriptions. Under it, you want to tap on payment methods that you're wishing to use. You can tap on payment methods and you'll be able to see the payment methods that you have added here. In my case, I don't have any, but if you have, it'll show up here. Right now, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and click on edit on that payment method that you've added and check that address listed matches the billing address of your card, and if there is any update required, check to find if your payment method is up to date. If it is not, update it here on the payment method center and then try to make the purchase again. Now, first things, you want to make sure you have enough money in your account for the purchase, or if you're still having issues, then you want to contact your bank to find if there is a problem with your account. So this way you can fix payment method decline on Google Play. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.